Welcome to the Devil's Art Club. I am Zeroo. Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. And I finally managed to upload a new video in our channel. So what happened is my hard drive, it got corrupted and I managed to lost everything. Yep. All of my more than hundreds of work that I had done in all these years, and also some of the recent recordings that I had done to upload. I lost everything. Yeah, we were not able to recover all those files. So yeah, I don't have anything left now. I managed to recover some of the rendered images that I had uploaded on my ArtStation. Besides that, all of those hundreds and hundreds of work I had done that I had not shared to anyone or uploaded on internet, and a lot of my Zbrush files and some new recordings that I did to upload in my YouTube channel, I lost all of it. But maybe it was luck or something. I accidentally saved a copy of the Zbrush file of this creature that I was working on my desktop. So I managed to save this one file, and again I redid it. I basically went the workflow I usually go to. I was thinking of doing the texture in Substance Painter, but I decided not to because I ended up losing all the file that I had done. And I also realized that it was taking a very long time to render, and Substance Painter was also starting to lag a little bit back then when I was working on this character. Maybe because this character is quite heavy. It has quite a bit of polygons and a few subtools. I had did it on Substance Painter before and created some basic renders out of it, but I managed to lose everything. Yep, I lost everything. Now I have this huge empty space left in my drive. I was a little bit sad because I've been collecting and working on my art for so long, and looking back some of my old work when I still had it, I was able to see a lot of improvement in my work, and it also helped me to push forward and keep on trying. But I don't have anything left now, so I don't think sad will be a right word to use on this occasion. But it's fine. Well, I can't do anything now. So now I have this huge empty space left. I had to buy a new hard drive, and I have decided to, what can we even do in these types of situation, right? So I'm just going to keep doing my thing, just keep working on it, now create more work and keep on creating more art, because I have to fill all this space left now. Well, I don't know how to say it. I was really upset when I lost all those files and couldn't recover it, but it's fine. We can't really do much. So I have decided not to think about it too much and to think about the future, to create some more work and work on some new designs and to fill all the space that I have lost. So now this video is going to be just like another one. In this one I decided to record the poly paint, the poly painting in Zbrush, and also took it after creating like simple BPR renders in Zbrush. I took it to Photoshop and created a composition there like I usually do. And I have also decided to make the videos a lot shorter. I have created some like 30-40 minutes long video. And also there are a lot of people who advised me not to render too much on my laptop. They said it can mess it up really quickly. So I'm going to create maximum it will be like 15 to 20 minutes, right? But I have decided to keep it 10 minutes. I won't go more than that. Maximum will be like 15-20. So, and also I had worked on like some of the tutorial videos, but of course I lost it, so I have to work on it again. So I have decided to create more tutorial related videos, related to Zbrush sculpting. I have decided to kind of like create different parts. More like we will start from simple, very simple, basic, Zbrush sculpting videos, and slowly we will go to more complex part. We'll start with very simple brushworks, maybe just creating simple shapes and silhouettes, and then we will slowly learn on creating more complex shapes, and we'll also work on anatomy and more things, maybe like adding details and stuff later. I will try to share as much as I know to you guys. And I also thought that it will be a great way for me to revise my own skills. It has been a very long time since I did any anatomy study, so it will also be a great revision for me. And I'm also planning to create it and make it as simple and easy to understand, so any beginner can easily pick it up. I think we have done a like introduction video to Zbrush, right, for beginners, and we'll pick up on it and release it slowly. But the video won't be that long, okay? It is going to be like many parts, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes long, and I'll have to re-record it everything again, but it's fine. It will be like a good revision and good study for me too. Everyone, so I hope all of you keep on working on yourself, keep on working on your art, and I hope you will gain a lot of improvement in the future. If you have to, take few breaks if necessary, and it is okay to ask help from other people sometimes. And if something happens in our life and that we don't have any control over, what can we even do? All we can do is just live through it, try to be as strong as possible and keep moving forward, and keep working on yourself. If you can, help other people, your friends and family around you. So I guess that's it for today. I hope you are doing good, and have a good day.